Good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
What's that?
Milk.
A milk. Oh. Is that delicious?
Yeah.
You want to go outside and drink your milk outside here?
Yeah.
Bring your table. Bring your table. Bring it there.
Go ahead. I got my chair.
You got it. No. I got this one.
Put my milk there.
Oh, so sorry. I forgot.
Why you put it there?
Sorry.
And you put it there and you put it on the chair?
Yep. Ano ito nakasampay dito?
Ay, nabasa lang yan. Nabasa niya kahapon yung
Today is Sunday.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sunday. Anong date ngayon? May 26. At we're going to church. We'll go to Amen later. Yeah, because it's Sunday. Amen is sasamba. Andyan. Hmm? Video daw ako ng video kasi magulo daw yung ano. Ano? What's that? No, that's okay. Get punas there. Here. Yeah. Ah, yeah, it's here. Sorry. Yan, ganyan po kagulo yung ano. Kwarto, hindi siya naglilinis, oh. Yan po guys, siya. Ayaw niya mag-video kasi magulo daw. Gusto punas? Here. Here. It's okay. Yeah. That's only a milk. Marunong ko siyang ano. Ayaw niya kasi na may basa. Kaya gusto niya pinupunasan agad. That's my girl. Say hi.
Hi.
There. Dito po kami minom ng ako, kape sa kanya milk. Right? Hmm? Where's my cup? Yan na. Oh no, I don't have any drinks here.
There is inside. You check.
Can you check it for me? Please? Is it done?
It's done.
It's done?
For me.
Itong table na to, ako po yung gumawa niyan. Tingnan nyo guys. Astig.
It's too hot.
Itong bilog, tinapon niya yan, tinapon na to. Tapos, ginawa ko. Maganda po kasi yung kahoy. Tsaka ito, lumulutang lang po sa dagat. Ginawa ko.
Gusto mo nga ito?
Tsaka ito, basura po.
Open, Piet, open. So
Yup.
funny. Piet, open it. I have a present for you.
Wait, wait.
Piet, open.
Yan po. Ginawa ko po yan. Tsaka nilagyan ko po ng konting style. Tingnan mo. Yan nyo po. Yan. At yan. Ako din po gumawa niyan. Yan. Marunong po ako niyan, pero hindi ako gumawa yan. Binili yan. Binigay lang yan sa akin. Gumagawa kasi po ako ng mga couch. Ito po yung makina na ginagamit ko.
Dapat sinisingit mo yun.
Hindi kasali yung ano, mga kalat.
Wala kalat na, hindi na pinanda.
Yan mo, oh. May ibon pa.
Business ko yan.
May ginawa po akong vlog na ano, video na may nirepair po akong couch ng tito ko. Hindi ko pa na ano eh, hindi ko pa na-upload. I-upload ko pa yun. Hindi ko pa nga tapos. I-upload ko. Guys, maganda pong panahon ngayon. Tingnan nyo. Yang net. Para po yan, ano, malaki po kasi yung winta. Ay, yung ano dito sa terrace. Guys, oh. Kaya nilagyan ko po yan ng ano. Yan, oh. Parang, yung ko ang tawag dyan. Net na black para hindi mano yung tubig. Kita ko po. Wait. Yan. Ang dami po kami ano dito. Bulaklak. Siyempre aso. Tap tap. Ay may ano pa po siya guys. Yung baby niya. Saan ba yun? Tumadil sa tatago dyan sa ilalim mo. Yeah, tingnan natin. Ewan ko makita sa ano. Ay, ayun. Ay, hindi kita sa camera, sobrang dilim. Andun po sa ilalim yung ano. Si baby 8. 8, yun yung pinangalan sa kanya. Yung nagbigay ng pangalan po sa kanya yung si Yana. Baby 8 daw. Tsaka itong bonsai po guys, yan 4 years old na ano yan, nyug. Tsaka ito magkaedad din pa sila, yan, mangga. 4 years old. At tsaka may isa pa, kita ko sa inyo. Ito yan, ipil-ipil. Magkaedad silang tatlo. Yung yan, mangga. Tsaka yung nyog. May ano po din dito. Yan. Okra. Siyempre kamatis. Yan. Ah, ito nga pala. Yan. Lemon yan. Ginawa kong bonsai yan dati. Sobrang liit yan. ganito. Tapos nung transfer siya sa malaking lagayan, lumaki na po ng ganyan. No, may bunga na pala yung ano. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. Yan. Yan. Mga tanim ng ano, asawa ko. Yan. Alugbati. Yan, spinach. Siyempre, malunggay. Dito po yung ginagawang bakod. Ginagawa pa lang. Shoutout kina Toko tsaka kay JJ. Yan. Sila po yung punta natin. Actually, naano ko na to eh. Yung una kong video. Pero, puntahan pa rin natin. Yan. Hanggang dito. Yan. Sinusundan po ako ng alaga ng aso. Gusto din niya mag-video. Yan po yung bahay namin. Oh, siya. Ito yung baby ko. Siya po yung nagbigay ng pangalan ng Baby 8, right? Where's Baby 8? Right there.
Why? Why is he hiding there?
Oh, she's hiding in there.
Because it's in
Ah.
the house?
Yup. Want to go with me?
Okay.
Later, wait. I'll drink my coffee first, okay?
Only the door?
Yup. Then, my coffee. What's that?
It's for peanuts.
Ba't mo nilagay sa...
Because it's yours.
Yeah. Thank you.
Excuse mo lang. Yes, natin ni Papa na. Tatas lang ang kamay.
Sobrang init po guys ngayon. Anong oras pa lang? Yan. 7:36. Bigsa.
Did you say that?
Yeah, the time.
36. My room?
No, it's 7:36. That one.
What's the wall you pay on?
What's that?
Oh, you pay.
I pay the wall?
Yeah.
Di ba ang ganda ng ano? Ang ganda ng walis. Tsaka ng kalat, di ba guys? So, hindi yung ano.
Nagilis ako kahapon eh.
Ng table. Yan. Ako lang yung nagagandahan dito sa table. Siyempre ako gumawa. Ano? Ha? Pupunta ko ngayon sa anong tindahan. Kuha ng karne. Punta ako sa tindahan kasi kuha ako ng karne. Dito namin lutuin. Want to go with me in the store? Come on.
Who buy that one?
That's me. Tita. Tita bought it for you. Come on. Come on. Wala na dyan? Parang meron pa yung kahapon. Yan na. Ilang beses na yun, nangyari. Come on.
May laman ba yan?
Yung. Wala. Yan na, come on. Want to go with me? Yeah, you have your duck. A baby duck. Yeah. Want to go with me? Come on.
No, wait, my slipper fell down.
Ah. Oh, look yung slipper niya.
I found it.
Fell down?
Okay?
It's okay. Go.
Here, I hear the sound. I'm going to make it before. And I can wonder why I threw it up.
What's that?
Here, it must be a food. Yes, it must be a food.
Hubat si mama, te? Ha? Nana dito? Si mama? Where's mama? Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, I found Tita. 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 Yes, I found Tita. Tita.
Tsaka ako dito po gumawa nito, guys. Yan, yung couch na yan.
Come on.
Yan. Yan, akong gumawa niyan.
No. Yes, they are not sure the ducks anymore again.
Sure.
Si duck.
One for you.
That's baby duck Diana and baby duck Dia. Ah.
Hi, Yana. Hi, Dia.
Let's give it a baby duck. The baby duck.
Come on, come on,
Let's go. Kita.
come on.
Where are you going?
The store.
We're going to start it.
Yup, go.
My mom. My mom is coming.
Oh, go.
Hot the door. Who makes the hot the door?
The sun.
Son,
Yeah, made the door hot.
son, would you make the door hot?
Sorry.
Why he look my back again?
So that your cough
My
will be better.
and my something my neck will be gone.
Yup. You want to ride it, Bob? Want to walk? Huh? Want to take out crispy mix? Come on, let's walk. You want to walk?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, come on.
Which one? Way there.
Yeah, this way. This way. Yup. Yup. Yup.
Is that way?
Yeah, let's do that. Sige. Morning. Say good morning to everybody. Kali house. Kali guys, classmate niya. Best friend niya. No, it's close. Go.
Yes, that's Kali house.
Yeah, that's Kali house.
That's right. I go.
Forgot to say good morning.
I think to get down.
Yup.
And he just said, "Want to sit here."
Pero ako pala dito. Singing. What's that? What's wrong?
A stone is on your shoe.
Not much. Go. How about that, Tay? Good morning. Tay! Mako na, karne. Karne daw.
Diha na lang luto ko rin.
Kung mantika, adir na lang? Iano lang danang kwan? Mix. Ang crispy mix ba? Wala ko tayo crispy mix ba?
Wala pa piso gas.
Ha? Na? Si ano kay Paulo sila?
Nga akong bagit ko ha. Kanina. Diha na lang kay.
Di na. Ihatod ang ilang kwan?
Oo. Ako sanina dito ba? Huwag akong bag.
Please this way. This way. Yeah. Kanina dito po kami dumaan. Ngayon, may dadaanan din. May pwedeng daanan kundi dito sa this way.
Yeah, look at that car. Or the same us car.
Ah, yeah. Pwede din kayong dumaan dito. Tambungan. Yan, yung elementary school. Tambungan.
Hey, what happened that train way?
No,
What?
Tambungan elementary school.
Yeah, it's the wrong way.
No, it's not wrong way. You can use this way also. go back. Go back home.
That way is good. Fiat.
Yep.
And we can drive. We like to play.
Yep.
And we don't have cars.
Diyan po banda, makikita nyo mamaya yung ano, yung binalang malaking kanal papunta doon sa ano, sa dagat, yung bali yung tubig ilog diyan. Ito po, wait. Oh, pull down,
Yeah.
drop it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I drop it
Fix it in
again.
the house, come on. Just fix it in the house.
Okay.
Okay? Come on.
Wow.
Oh,
Hello, Lassie.
nasi. Yo. Tabi. Nasi. Nangumpra natin? Kapitbahay namin yung katabi ng bahay namin. Si yung timber na. Yan po guys, yung dun, dagat na po yung dun banda. Yan. Actually itong dagat, ayan, dagat po yung tubig na yan. Oh, doon po yun. Yan eh. No, that's so really dangerous. Yeah. Yan. Andyan po, papunta dun sa
Not my hands, Fiat. Look, I'm sorry.
ilog. Ilog po yan. Yan, ganyan.
Fiat, my back, Fiat. You know?
Yeah. Yan po guys.
I'm on the top, Fiat. Why?
Papakita ko din mamaya pag andun na tayo sa ano. Go here.
Okay.
Doon ko beside the ano. Here. Diyan. Po yung school ni Yana, guys. It's closed because it's Sunday. Yeah?
Yes.
Come on, let's go.
Sorry, I want to check it, please.
Come on.
It's closed.
Yeah, it's closed.
It's closed again.
Because it's today Sunday. Who's that? Who's that dog?
Tap.
Oh, Top. Po guys, yung yan. No. I just take a video here. Yeah.
No, check.
Ganda po yun. No, don't po.
I'll be careful like the other ones.
Be careful, no. It's so really danger. Mamaya ko na rin pakita kasi sumusunod siya na.
Hands. Fiat, it's not the hands. Fiat, you're tired. Fiat, I'm so tired.
Yeah. You're so tired. Yung nagpapakarga na. Yun. Oh no. Top is chasing. Can you hold it? Wait. Nagpapakarga na po guys kasi pagod siya. Are you tired?
Yeah.
Yung laruan.
My pose is getting.
What's that?
My pose getting fun.
Okay, come on. You're so heavy.
Yeah. It's
Yeah?
very strong.
Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Pwede ko na pong makuna ng video yung ilo guys kasi nagpakarga na siya. Kanina kasi lumalapit parang ano, delikado. Yan. Ito po yung ilog. Yan. Yan, papunta doon, paikot.
Bill, I'm getting full again.
Doon. Paikot din doon.
A bridge.
Dagat na. Yeah. Sa bridge.
Ah!
Sa bamboo bridge. What?
Ah!
Wait.
I stepped.
Nahulog mo niya. Hold. Hang on.
I walk my iron slipper.
Yeah.
Who walk?
Oh no.
Why?
Look at me. See?
Are you still strong?
I'm still strong.
You walk my slipper and me?
Yep. Yan po. Yan. Ang ilog.
Why Tap so fast with us?
Tap is running. That's why she go faster than us.
Why faster with us? Tap.
Yan po
Why
yung
Tap we can go down?
yan po yung bahay ng kapatid ko,
Because
guys.
it's a dog?
Yan kung sa amin, yun. Ewan ko kung kita sa video. Yan, ito po yung ilog papunta dun. Ay, gagawan na po akong panibagong video dyan. I-ano ko yung ilog.
Yeah, I want more milk. Please.
You want milk?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
want more. The one. The milk.
Okay. Go, you can go sleep now.
It's so short. Let's have a look.
Oh.
It's okay.
Yes.
There's dirt.
Yep. Yeah. Oh, come on. Go.
Yeah, it's not my hand.
Okay, yeah. Go there.
Why are you looking my dummy?
I'm sorry. Go.
It's not my hand. It was this one. And this one.
Yan.
Yeah, I did.
Yan.
Not like that.
Dito na tututuan. Hindi mo ito dito? Yato na ako din yung kan. Yan na, come on. Yan na. Come on. Come on. Come on. At ito, uwi na kami. Galing tindahan. And we're home. Doon na tayo kakain? Doon na lutuin yung ano? That's all. Mamaya, sasambag pa kami. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.
Where's my dog?
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to go like and
Bye.
subscribe. Thank you.